We are back. Let's go. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get in the evening. Let's see. See what we can get in the evening. Welcome back and welcome if that's your first time. Let's see what we can get, man. Had a good movement in the market. Look at here. 600 to 400 by the end of the day. So 200s, 150, 160s to 600. So that's what we like, as day traders. We like the trend. We like the move. We like the big moves. So, see, see, can we get like 20 likes tonight? Let's see. See what we can get tonight. Let's see what we can get, guys. See. Nice, nice, nice. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. We are ready. We are ready to rock and roll. Are you guys ready? See what we get right at the open. Let's see if we pop. Let's see if we drop. Let's see what's gonna happen. So far, we are on top of the 1 hour chart. See, we got a pullback here. So we got a nice pullback here from 600. 600 back to 400. So well, we're gonna retouch the 200s again. Maybe go back here to 300s. Or we just keep going back up. Let's see. Let's see what we can get at the open. 1 minute to go.
The market is open.
And the market is open. Okay. First candle is going down. See if we get a reversal. We keep going down. Let's see what's up. Let's see what we get. See if buyers coming back here. The buyers trying. The buyers are trying. I like this candle to the upside. Let's see.
Order filled.
Let's see. Let's see. See if we get a push. Uh, nope. See if we push. See if we push. We need a push. Ugh. I think I'm gonna push
Order
out.
filled.
I pushed out. I took out, but I don't know. I like this candle here. See the? That's why I went long. I went long because of this candle. This candle is strong. This candle here was strong, you know. So that's why I went long. But I did not get the fast follow through that I expected. I really expected like a fast follow through. So there we go. That's what I kind of expected. That's what I expected, you know. I expect this pop, but fast, fast and furious. I expect the pop to be fast and furious. That's the candle I kind of wanted. I can see it keep going, but let's see. Let's wait and see. Yeah, that's what I expect. I expect them to keep going. See if we break it here and they keep going higher. Hey, Will, what's going on, man? How you doing? Did you trade today? Look at the market. Bang! From 600 to 400. From 200, 160 to 600. That was a good move. That was a big move today, huh? No follow through. I have this resistance here. I don't even know when I put it that here, but I have it here. So I'm gonna put a Fibonacci level here to see. Let's see a Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, look at Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement here says that either way we are kind of like in the middle. Yeah, we're failing. We're failing, boys. Looks like we're going down here. Let's see if we hold it here. No follow through to the upside. Now we're gonna get a follow through to the downside. Yes, great job, man. Great job. 545, it's good. We got no follow through on the upside. We got a big candle for the downside here. Let's see if we get some continuation here on the downside. See what we're gonna get here. Big learning process, Will, for all of us, all the time. Trading is a non-stop learning. We never stop learning, especially about ourselves. We're always learning something new on trading every day. The technical, after you follow strategy, that's it. But like, or multiple strategies, whatever you want to follow. But the emotional side, keep learning more and more about yourself. Things we would think like, oh, I'll never do that. We do it. Somehow our brain tricks us. Okay, we're holding here for now. Only 7 minutes open. Let's see. Hmm. Are we gonna test the lows? For 7 minutes. For 7 minutes, we are just here. Not a big range so far. It's too early. Too early to tell. Okay. Okay, we're holding, we're holding, we're holding. How long are we gonna hold? Let's see. All right. See if we pop. Let's see what we can get here. So far, we're holding here the 82. It's going back to the moving average here. See if we're gonna reclaim and fly back up. There we now. Let's see the 5 minutes. Let's see the 5 minute chart. Hmm. We holding for now. First 10 minutes. Not a big dump on the first 10 minutes, so I'm gonna test the support again. Bro, I'm new to trading. From where should I learn about this for best understanding? Brother, I would start learning the basics of support and resistance. Basics of support and resistance. Just YouTube the basics of support and resistance. I'm gonna put up a video about that. I'm actually gonna do like a master class. Like I'm gonna do like a master class, maybe like on Saturday or something. Like I can do like a live and do all that, goes through everything. But you gotta learn the basic of support and resistance. For example, if you go here, let me change like I don't know how much you know. I don't know if you trade with a prop firm, if not. So there is a lot I don't know that I can answer. Like for example, I don't know what you know about the time frames. The longer time frames are usually the one that they are stronger. That's usually like big money trade, bigger time frame. For us retail traders, you usually try to go like on the lower time frame to get a couple moves. Subscribe to the channel, then I can do like a video and we can go through everything. I just wanna like more people so we can do like something live and like like questions. I can answer all the questions like live, you know. Maybe we need to gather like a bunch of people so we can do that. Like I have a Discord channel, so it's new. Like join the Discord channel and then we can set something up, you know. Only have a couple people there, but we can set something up there on the Discord channel. So then we can do it live, you know. We can go answer questions live. And yeah, market's not holding up. Looks a little weak. I'm gonna wait for a little pop here and go again with a tight stop. So I'm gonna wait. If it comes here and try to retest this moving average here, 9, I'm gonna short. If break that, I take my stop, like a 10-point stop, you know. Let's wait. Let's wait if I get that. Let's see if we can get it here. Let's see if we can get a little pop here, you know, so I can get a good entry. I like to fight for my entry. I don't like to go and just go, you know, because the entry is very important. The entry is very important to me. So I'm just waiting for a good entry here, you know. Waiting for the best entry. That's what I want. See, like right here, to retest this moving average, the 9 moving average, test it again and went down. I want one more test. So if I can get one more test of the moving average, I would short and have a stop like on top of it. Because now we're going down, but we're going very slow. We are going down, but very slow. Let's see if we got a little pop. Then I can get my entry. Okay, looks like it's my entry coming. My entry's coming. See if I can get my entry there. My entry's coming. That is my entry. Now, let's see if it's gonna confirm the fail or it's gonna go up. Let's see. Are we gonna confirm the failure or are we gonna go all the way up? It might fail. Might be confirming the failure. Mm, it's holding for now. It's holding. Yeah, it's trying to go. It's trying to go up above the moving average. See, they're pushing back. They're pushing back. See this bar here on the bottom there. It's getting green now. Gotta look at the volume as well. It's trying to reclaim. Yeah, it's reclaiming. Let's see if we fail there. Any sign of failure, I go in. Yeah, we did not fail. That's why you wait. You gotta wait for confirmation. You cannot blindly go. You gotta wait for confirmation. Let's see if we keep pushing. Are we gonna keep pushing up? Or are we gonna go all the way back down? See, so far we are going down, 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 down. But we can also flip. Can flip completely and go all the way back up. While you wait. Sometimes the best trade is no trade, you know. Like my plan was to go here short and I waited for confirmation. Now it's flipping. Looks like she's flipping. Let's see the 5 minutes. Look at that. See this 5 minutes candle here? It's flipping. She's trying to flip. She's trying to flip to the upside. Well, looks like it's failure. There's a failure right there. Yep, it's failing. I want to fight for my entry. See, I have my short here. Am I gonna get filled? I don't know. I wanna get kind of the middle of the candle, you know. I don't wanna get filled on the bottom of the candle. I wanna get filled kind of in the middle of the candle if I can. Let's see if we go. See if we go and get filled there. Fighting for my entry here. If I'm wrong, it's fine. At least I'll not be wrong like all the way down here, you know. So fighting for my entry. That's what I try to do. I believe it's very important to have a good entry. Looks like not gonna happen. Looks like it did not happen right there. The short was here on the 80. That was a good short on the 80s. See the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes, a big failure right there. And keep pushing now. Now she's pushing. Yeah, look at that. That was boom, boom, boom. Now maybe go back. I don't know. Is that a chase now? Kinda. I think it's a chase now if we go. Yeah, we're just going down, man. Crazy. Crazy. That was a nice push down. Opa, look at that. Look at this candle now. Strange push up from 17 to 34. This candle might turn into a bullish candle. When New York is open, when New York is open, those are good short opportunity too because it's usually follow through. But now we'll see. This candle looks bullish. Let's see the next one. Let's see the 5 minutes. See if this 5 minutes turn into a bullish candle. Let's see if this 5 minutes turn into a bullish candle. Huh? Oh yeah, 5 minutes turn into a bullish candle. I would go long here. I would have my stop below this candle. So I'll be around here. That's what I would do. See if I get filled. 10 points stop. Oh, it's getting hard to get filled. I mean, I'm fighting for like a good entry, 39. You go a little lower. I'm fighting for a good entry. Fighting for a good entry, but the 5 minutes turned into a bullish candle. Look at that. Not closed yet. It's not done yet. It's trying. See if the 5 minutes gonna hold like that. Gonna hold bullish on it. Okay, one long here. Stop loss will be below those candles here on 30. It's interesting that on the mobile version, the links are not clickable. So guys, you gotta click on my name and go to the other version, to the other YouTube version, because on this version you cannot get the link, and also the screen does not look like complete. Okay, we're gonna hold here now. We're gonna fail. See if we flip bullish now. Yeah, 5 minutes close bullish. I'm gonna give it a try here. I'm gonna
Order
give it a
filled.
try. Let's see. Let's see if I lose that one or if we go. There's no confirmation yet for me for to go long, but I'm gonna try. See, we need a big pop. We need a good big pop. Be nice if we got a big pop here. Can get a big reverse. That's what I want. Ah, not going. She's not going. She's not going. She's taking a while. She's taking her sweet time. We have not got the push that I want yet. We need a big push. Yeah, we holding. We holding right on my entry now. See? We are holding right on my entry. Come on, keep going. Keep going, baby. We need a nice pop. One more pop. We need more. We need more. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Don't drop. Come on. Gonna tight my stop, I think. Yeah. We need a little more. We need a little more. She's losing power. Oh, she's losing power. Come on. Yeah, it's like she's losing power right there. Back to my entry. Mm. Previously kind of failed right here. See? It's failing again on this line here. See this line? That's why it's failing. So I need to cut. Think I need to take my loss. Let's see. 200. Yeah, I'm gonna cut. Taking
Order
my
filled.
loss. Taking my loss right there. Better take a small loss now than wait and take a bigger loss. But what's happening here is they're holding here. See this line, the 21? That's what's riding. It failed here on the 21 the first try, failed again on the second try. So that's what's doing. So she's not ready yet. Took a small loss. It's good. Better small loss than a big loss, you know. In doubt, you get out. Small loss keep you alive. That's the hardest part of trading, taking those small loss. See if we're gonna hold here now. This candle is very bullish. Let's see if we're gonna keep coming down now. It's trying to hold here again, see? Second time, yeah. Now I think she's
Order
going.
filled.
Let's see. Might be a chase now. But wait, it's fine. What was my previous entry? My previous entry was 51. So now I'm back to 50. So my previous entry was here, 51. So now my entry is 50. Let's see if we go. See if we can get a push that I'm expecting. Actually, I did not wait for confirmation. See the 21 again. Round the 21 again, she's trying to fail. See? I should have waited for confirmation, did not. Might take another paper cut here. Okay, 5 minutes, try again. It's looking weak. Yeah, I might have to take another loss. Yeah, I did not wait for confirmation again. I chased the candle. Chasing the reversal that have not confirmed. See if it reverse. Kinda trying to push, but very weak so far. See what we can get here. Yeah, it's 5 minutes gonna hold or not. Let's see. Let's see if we can push. So far it's failing the 21 with the 1 minute. See, that's what's failing. It's failing right here now. Now we need to reclaim that and go back to view app. See if we can do that. See if we can go at least back to view app. Can we go back at least to view app? Let's go. Let's see. It's like my entry become a little resistance there. Okay, let's see now. Let's see if we can reverse all that. Can we reverse all that? Still a little concern here. This 60s. If we get there, you know. If we get there. So far looks very weak. I honestly do not like how weak it looks. See if we can push. See if we can push. Previous failure was here. See? On the left? That was the previous failure. It's testing again. Can we pop that up? Can we pop that up or no? Previously failures here. It's testing. It's retesting. Yeah, it's failing again. Yeah, it's failing again. The same spot. See? It's not much power right now to do that. There's no power to push right now. Zero power, man. It's failing again. Looks like it's gonna fail again. Yeah, look at the 5 minutes failing. 5 minutes turning into bearish. Yep, failure again, another failure. And what I have to do, I have to cut it again, man. Gotta cut it again. As you can see, to go down, it's going fast. To go up, it's like taking its time. If this candle becomes strong, that would be beautiful, but I don't know. Yeah, it's still weak. It's a very weak candle. Need a big push. We need a bigger push. We need a bigger push. Yeah, still not strong enough. We need a better push than there, guys. The only thing, like if you look at the 1 minute chart, it goes down fast, goes up slow. So close to my entry again. Hey, can we go this time? Can we finally go? Again, try again. See, resistance, little resistance. So sellers here, there are sellers here, and there are buyers here. So the sellers are holding there. So far, the sellers are holding right here. See those sellers holding here? Yep. Sellers holding here, buyers right here. So let's see. My only concern is that when it sells hard. When it pop, it kind of goes low. So for me to be happy on this trade, I need a big pop. Because looks like I might be a little on the resistance. I kind of like my long is a little resistance there. So we need a pop. We need a pop to test view app, and after that keep going. May I get this 400 target? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. But if it's reclaim view up, yeah, you see it's keep failing right here. It's failing right there, man. It's right here. There are some sellers here. There are sellers holding up. Last time was the same. I was long here. I did not get out because I'm waiting. I'm waiting for like a bigger move. That's not coming. So far, the bigger move is not coming. So far, the bigger move is not coming yet. Let's see if we can break this view up. Let's see if we get closer to view up at least. See if we can get closer to view up. So, yeah, it's not going. I'm gonna tighten my stop a little. So if we try again here, we might try again these lows again. Because you see so far the buyers are here. Might stop me out, but it's fine. Are we gonna try view up? I don't know. It's close, but it's not there yet. The sellers are holding right here. That's where the sellers are holding. We need a push right here. We need a big pop right here. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a big pop. Right here on the left. You see they are holding. The sellers are holding here. I wanted the sellers to leave so we can go try here again. See the 80s? That would be next. If we break here and then we break view up, we're gonna go to 80s. Can we do that? Maybe. Let's see. So far it's being held up here. Sellers are holding. Can the sellers stop? Can the sellers leave? Next is view up. Next task will be view up if we go. Gonna tighten my stop a little more. Tighten my stop more. Tighten more my stop. 150 now. 150 is my stop. Now we're gonna try here again. The sellers are holding here. Can we go? Can we go? Let's see if we go. Now we're gonna test view up. If you don't know what view up is where the buyers and sellers are. Who's in control? Below view up, sellers are in control. Above view up, buyers are in control. So can we reclaim that? Maybe, let's see. Let's see if we can reclaim view up. Nope. Failure again. You see the sellers took back down. The sellers took right back down. Buyers are trying to hold that level. Let's see if buyers hold this level now. See, the sellers are back. The sellers are back. Sellers are back. We might touch my stop here. We can even touch my stop and go back up, you know. Like, let's see here on 5 minutes. Yeah. See, it's like middle of the candle, my stop. That's fine. That's fine. If my idea works, it works. If it works right away, awesome. If it doesn't work, that's fine. That's part of trading, guys. Part of trading. You gotta take your loss. If it goes, awesome. If it goes, $1,000, you know. If it doesn't go, $500. That's fine. Part of the game. And that's the hardest part. You gotta be patient. So I'm trying to be here. I'm trying to be patient here to see if I can get paid or not. I can fail, you know, can fail. Can fail all the way down. I can pop. I need a pop. I need to retest 80s. That's what I want. Next level will be 80s. Then that's like the opening range. Can go back down too, you know. So let's see. Let's see. We need that pop. We need that pop. We need that break. We need that break of view up. That's the toughest part is here, the view up, you know. See the view up. Now we're gonna test view up. We need to break this. That's usually hard. See, that's hard now. It's gonna try again. I think it's gonna fail again. Yeah, told you. That's view up, man. View up gets hard. It's having a hard time to break the view up. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can push. Can we push that? Can we push and break view up? Can we push and break view up? Let's go. Can we do that or not? Now that's the big test, big view up there. We need that break of view up. know what? I'm gonna put my stop and my entry. $15. That's fine. If it goes down, goes down. I think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna go down to my entry. That's what I see, to tell the truth. I don't know. Might break view up all the way, but at least I'm protected here. But now we need to break this view up. That's hard. It's having a hard time here to break view up, you see? It's having a tough time there. Being challenging. View up is holding. View up is holding. View up is holding her. View up is holding, man. Yeah, view up is holding her down for now. Let's see, maybe we break. See, it's having a hard time to break this view up. That's what I've been telling, man. That's what I've been telling. It's having a hard time here. Stupid view up. See? It's always hard. View up is the challenging. It's always challenging. It's broke view up. Let's go. Come on. Now we're gonna test the 80s. That's what's next. Next is 80s, you know. Next will be the 80s. So if we go there. Now my stop will be below this candle. Right? My stop is here now, 120 now. See, moving my stop. 120 guarantee now. So if it's failure, if we get a failure here from this previous candle, I make 160, around 160. 130, okay, 130. That's it. If fail view up, I make 130. If keep going, I will let it ride, you know. So let's see. Because we still on view up. We have not broke. I wanted this to break this next candle and we go up. That's what I want. That's what I want. I want that candle to pop. I want this candle to pop. Gotta break this candle here, break hard, and go test right here. If you look left, you see the previous failure was here. So it's gonna try 80s. Let's see if we can get there. But if for us to get there, we need to break here. We need to break this candle and get a continuation. Let's see if we can do it. Can we do it? Maybe. Let's see. We just got above view up. Not holding yet because it's just got there. Let's see if we keep pushing. Let's see if we can keep pushing. Can we keep pushing? Maybe. Let's see. Can we keep pushing? Maybe. Now I'm gonna move my stop. I'm gonna keep moving my stop. 160 now. 160, 180. See? 185 now. My stop now it's 190. See, my stop now it's 190. I'm letting ride. Let it ride. But you know, I'm actually gonna get out of here because I need to walk the dog. I'm gonna close this position now. I'm gonna go
Order
walk.
filled.
Gonna go walk the dog. So as you can see, I was previous negative 180. Now I'm positive 200. So honestly, I can see it going all the way up, right? But I need to be here babysitting and watching. I mean, I could just, honestly, I could put my stop right here and let it ride, right? But I really believe it's gonna test my stop. So see, she's coming back down to test my stop again. Yeah, you see? I had moved my stop to 160, so overall that was a good trade. Took a while to work. Took a very long time for that trade to work. Took a very long time. See how long it took for that trade to work. Took 24 minutes. See, it took 24 minutes to make $390. 24 minutes, yeah. And if you multiply that on 5 accounts, I have 5 accounts, one, two, three, four, five. So that's 200, 200 each account. So do the math. That's $1,000, you know. And first I was actually negative 180. So that trade was 390. So that was a good trade. Now we're above view app. So well, let's see if we hold above view app. No, we gotta see if we hold here. No, we did not hold. See, all the way back to my stop. That was a good exit. I wanna go watch. I wanna go walk the dog, but it looks very good here. The market looks good. So we're gonna flip back bearish. Let's see the 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See that candle. Why I went long? Why I went long? That was this candle here. See that candle. How can I draw here? Demonstration, eraser. Is there anything that I can draw? Cross, dot. I mean, okay, here, demonstration. See that candle right here? That was the candle. That should be like a drawing candle. Price label, flag mark. Huh, it's fine. Yeah, that was that candle here. Now I actually like the short and put my stop on top, you know. I like the short now, and I would put my stop here on above view app. So let's see if we, I want like a little populist, like 60 something. There we go. Okay, 56, 58. Now I kind of like the short to go back down and test the lows, but starting to like the short right there. Short here with a stop above view up. Looks kind of good. I might wait a little. Let's wait a little, you know. Let's wait. Now, see now it's gonna retest here the highs. So maybe a short here with a tight stop, 70s, 72. There'll be a 10-point stop. 10-point stop to make 30s or even 20. Hmm, looks very tempting. Looks very tempting a short right here. Yeah, a short right there would be perfect, you see? That would be a perfect short right there. That was the entry, man. I called out the entry, just did not take. That was a good call out. Whoever took it, hey, great job. That was a great call. A new subscribe. Sam Sumlin, welcome to the channel. Let's grow together. We are here every day, 5 p.m. Central Time. And sometimes I try to be in the morning as well. Like today I was in the morning, but it's not every day. Whenever I can, I am in the morning online. Yeah, now looks like it's flipping back down. The short was here 60. 62 to have a stop on 72. Now would I short here? Maybe, but it can become a support and go back up and go back down. See the longer time frame. 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes was a failure there. 5 minutes is trying to hold here on the moving average, the 9. See it holding. It's holding the 9 moving average. Let's see 15 minutes. 15 minutes also failure view up. 30 minutes. 30 minutes there. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, we'll be open for 1 hour, right? Yeah, open 5. Then we push back. See if this candle becomes bullish, that gets dangerous. It's gonna be one more try. Let's see if it's gonna try again. See if she's gonna try again to pop. Here we are again. She's below VWAP. What does that mean? Below VWAP, bearish. That's what it means, bearish. Below VWAP, it's bearish. Above VWAP, bullish. So we might try the lows again. We're still bearish again. See the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes can push back up. 60 minutes. 2 minutes. I like to look in multiple time frames. 1 minute's failing again here. 9 EMA. 9 EMA, below 9 EMA. It's bearish. She's being held down. Look at the 5 minutes. I like the I like the long. You know why? On the 5 minutes, right? Let me show you why. I like the long here. If, of course, it keeps going higher, right? Because it can break down. On the 1 minute, I like the short, right? But it looks like it's gonna keep breaking down. That's what it's looking like. So yeah, the short was here on 62. And remember what I was saying? It's going up very slow. Took 24 minutes, man, to go from here to here. And look how fast it went. So it's definitely look weak. It's definitely looking very weak. She is looking very weak, guys. She is looking very weak, guys. Again, previous support here. Are we gonna hold this previous support? Let's put a line here. Let's put a line. Horizontal line. That's what we held previously, right? Gonna put a line there. Are we gonna hold? Yeah, not holding. So for now, it's not holding. Let's see. See, the short was here. The short was on view app. Right now, it's a little scary to short for me at least. Because if I short here, where would I put my stop? My stop gotta be here on 39, I guess. I don't know. I'm just so used to trade on New York time, like on New York Open. The New York Open is like one candle takes you out. But the more I've been trading the Asian market, the more I'm learning that it does not move. Of course, it does not move like the New York, but it's different. Like the candles, how the candles move. Like usually, I feel that on the Asian market, the candle have some more follow throughs sometimes. But now I see the support is trying again. See the 5 minutes. Mm. See if we get there as a support again. Let's see if we hold. Let's see if we hold that. Still very weak, guys. Still very, very weak. You short here, your stop gotta be here around 40s. He was previous support. Still hold once, twice, maybe hold again. I don't know. Trump talking? I don't think Trump's talking. I don't see Trump talking. Just sometimes I see things on YouTube that it's like old news or something. Oh, sorry to hear that. All right, now it's a little test here. See if we hold. I like the short here with a tight stop. Now I'm gonna have a
Order
short here with
filled.
a tight stop, okay? So my stop will be here to lose 130. Very tight stop. There we go. Come on, keep going. Testing the lows again. Maybe she goes now. Maybe she breaks the lows now. There we go. We might stop to my entry. There she goes, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go, baby. I might go out too soon, maybe, but hey, up 500 now. 514. That's good. That's good. That was a great entry, man. That's what I like. I like those quick entries, you know. Those are the trades I like. For example, see how long it took? Took 1 minute, 1 minute, 18 seconds to make $315. On the other trade, took 24 minutes and 9 seconds to make $390. See the difference? Man, it's a big difference. Did I get out soon? Oh yeah, absolutely. I got out too soon. I should just put it like my stop right here. You see on 318 or something and let it ride. Because I think it's gonna keep dumping. On my stop on 318. Now I could even have my stop on my exit on 312. It's fine. See? Because I think she's gonna actually accelerate to the downside, looks like. Yep. See, that was too soon. My exit was extremely soon. Because now she accelerated to the downside and I'm out. I don't want to chase anymore. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, we going down, baby. The 300 level gonna hold. I don't know. And that 300 level hold doesn't look like. You see, it's accelerating, man. It's accelerating. Should have moved my stop. Keep moving my stop. See, my stop would be here. My stop goes here. Stop goes back here. She's trying to hold. See the 5 minutes. She is trying to hold. I don't think she's gonna hold. I do not think so. Let's do some fib levels. Yeah, I think we go all the way to 270s. Sit through all-time highs. Let's do this correctly. Let's go here to the highs. 300 is a support. Yeah, of course 300 is a support because it's 300, round numbers. 300, 400, 600. We are accelerating. Man, I had a beautiful entry. Boom. That was right here, my entry. Just got out too soon. Are we gonna hold? Let's see the 5 minutes. 5 minutes trying to push. Not a strong push, very weak push. 15 minutes, nothing. 1 hour, that's the one that talks. Oh boy. We are testing all the way here on the 200. See where we're trying to bounce? That's a 200 moving average. 200 moving average on a 1 hour chart. Usually it's strong, right? So what does that mean? That means in 200 days, that's the average price that people have, right? Talking about institutions and everybody else, right? Of course, big big money buys way lower, but whatever. That's the average, right? It's like just like a little average. So we are right there on top. We are right there on top. If we get a bounce from here, I would go long. Would I go now? Nope. Why? Why would I not go now? Because my indicator, see my indicator, 9 moving average on the 1 minute, usually it keeps riding down. See here? My indicator failed here, failed here, fail, fail. So it keeps going low. Now I'm assuming that might do the same. See? It's trying to fail here. So if I go short here, my stop gotta be here at 312, 313. That's kind of how I like to trade. We're trying to hold there. Yeah, maybe we reverse. Are we gonna reverse? Look at that. Look at that. That 5 minutes turning bullish. Let's see the 1 hour. See what I mean? Right here on the 1 hour. 1 hour moving average, 200 moving average. That's where it's bouncing from. Are we gonna go all the way up? Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe we will. Just have your plan and have your stop. Like for example, if I went long here, my stop would be below those lows, right? That's how I would play that. That's how I would play that out. See, it looks like we're getting a little bounce. Look at that. The 5 minutes candle closed above the previous candle. So we might be flipping. We might be flipping. Maybe we are flipping. Let's see. Let's see if we can go higher. Yeah, we might flip now. We might flip bullish. If I go long here, my stop gotta be 305. Hmm. My stop actually has to be below 300. To really have a good long, you gotta have your stop like a little wide, like a little below 300. But you see the difference? Are you watching these guys? Come on. See the difference? How slow it's going to the upside and how fast it's going to the downside. It's going down so fast. Why are we gonna flip now? Maybe it's just a pullback. You talking about to the downside or to the upside? What I'm saying is that this candle was bullish. Maybe it's just a pullback. You mean a pullback here? What do you mean? What I mean flipping, what I mean like flipping to the upside, that's what I mean. The only reason I'm saying that that's because of the 200 on the 1 hour chart. In the long time frame, yeah, see, did not hold actually. The only reason I was saying that that's because of the 200 here. See the 200? That's where I was bouncing from. So, not holding very well, I'll tell you that. See, it's not holding, did not hold. There we go, it's failure. There was a big failure there, looks like. Just a pullback, yeah, it's failing. Big failure there. Let's see if we hold. Trends down. Now it's back in here where it previously held. Two on top of the 1 hour. See right here, that's what I meant. We'll see. Yeah, there was a strong candle here. Maybe that candle here just faked out a bunch of shorts. Let's see if this previous candle keep pushing. We'll see. We're going for well, overall, the market's still big bullish. Like, you cannot say the market's bearish. Look at that. Look at this thing. Overall, we are extremely bullish. There's no way. Look at that. That's very bullish. Extremely bullish. But for me as a day trader, what I care the most are those movements, right? And some movements, like right here, one candle here, I can make 300 bucks, you know. So that's kind of what I care. Like here, for example, what I care, 5 minutes chart. See 5 minutes? This candle is pushing. So that means that buyer are trying to be in control. Are they in control? Not yet. Like this means nothing yet. It's like a little range. Nobody's in control. Sellers on the lower time frame, sellers are in control, right? On the lower time frame, sellers are in control. On the higher time frames, of course, buyers are in control. And for the longs, we need to reclaim all the way up. We did not hold. Yeah, guys, we're not holding. We are not holding very well here for the longs. My goal is pretty much like 1,000. 1,000 per account because I trade 5 accounts, see? So that would be like 5,000. But so far, 2,500. So that's good. But honestly, my main goal is like trade well. Man, my main goal is just trade well and I've been following my stop loss and that's good. So see if we get something. If we get something, something good pops, I go. No, my way. Not yet. I had two losses. Yesterday I was up 600 and ended up giving back. So I ended up negative 400 yesterday. So, because what I have is that I have a trailing, trailing stop. For example, now I'm up 500, right? So if I, if that changes and I'm down 500, my account locks. So, so that's what happened. So that's what happened yesterday. So we're gonna hold here and go back down. We're gonna pop. It's kind of tempting to short here with a tight stop, I tell you that. Let's see the 5 minutes. Oh yeah, you see that was the entry. Where I said right here. That was my entry. Looks like we might get some acceleration. Yeah, there comes the acceleration to the downside. Gonna take a quick scalp here. Let's see if I get lucky or not.
Order filled.
Quick scalp. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be a quick failure maybe. Yeah, right back to the 1 hour. Let's see if we're gonna accelerate or not. Uh, gonna go or not? Are we gonna go or not? Oh, I might take it. Nope. Yeah, we're on top of the 1 hour. I don't think that was a good trade, honestly. Let's see. There we go. Give me some continuation. Come on. Give me some continuation to the downside. Come on, let's go. Actually, I don't like my entry at all. So, to tell the truth, in doubt, get out. So, I'm gonna get out to break even.
Order filled.
But since top step is very stupid, it took me 15 bucks just because I used market order. Yeah, yeah, I did not like that chase. I was chased with the FOMO, but I see the dump. Still very weak. Just did not like my entry. That was not a good entry, I tell you that. So in doubt, get out. You don't feel comfortable in a trade, just get the hell out. No reason to marry that thing. Yeah, that was a good exit to tell the truth. Look at that. My entry was 80 something. That was a good exit. So the 5 minutes doing here. That's getting zero. See the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still there. Still on top of the moving average. Yeah, I'm glad I got out, I tell you that. 86. It was a very bad entry on my part. Very bad entry. And what I usually say, in doubt, get out. Actually, in a couple minutes, not a couple minutes, but 20 minutes, we're gonna open the Asian market opening soon. Yeah, fading again. It's 85. Yeah, we're trying to hold. Uh, Yeah, looks like we're trying to hold right here. We are trying to hold right there, guys. So far, we are not holding well, but I mean, we're actually holding well. That's what I want to say. Yeah, we are holding here for now. We are holding right there for now. Yeah, a long here does not look bad with a tight stop. That'll be a very tight stop, you know. It's going down too fast, going up very slow. See, it's going down. And it's breaking. It's breaking the 200. I'm gonna go long here with a very tight stop.
Order filled.
Oh, oh shit. I think I need to get out. If we're gonna hold or what? That was a bad long, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get
Order
out.
filled.
That was a very bad long, very bad trade. Oh, it's right back up. Are you kidding me? My entry 77. Right back there. Yeah, look, still going down, man. And it's zero longs now. It's just short. You just short this thing.
Order filled.
See a fast continuation to the downside. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Push. Push it down. Come on. Come on. Gonna break the 60s. Come on. Accelerator. Come on. Zephyr, move. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go more. Come on. I'm gonna put my stop in my entry and let it ride. Are you
Order
kidding
filled.
me? Are you kidding me? Try to get out there, did not get me out. Cunt. Try to get out at 180, did not get me out. Try to get a quick scalp there, man. Did not take me. Are you kidding me? Mm. Now, this candle looks a little stronger. Look at the 5 minutes. Are we gonna push now? Can we get that push now? Can we get the push all the way up here to 92? Oh yeah, I think we will get that push now. I think we're gonna get that push, guys. That's the push I was waiting for a while. Let's see if we're gonna get that push I was waiting for. This first candle is the long. See if we go back here, then I would try a long. I wanna fight for my entry, man. That's what I want. I wanna fight for my entry. Why I wanna fight for my entry? So I can have a good stop loss, you know?
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Did I just buy resistance? Fuck me. Did I just buy resistance or what? I just bought the top of the candle. I do not like that. Hate when I do that. Come on, let's just pop. 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 Come on. Fuck me. Stupid. I'm on 5 minutes. Let's push. 5 minutes candle needs to push, man. Yeah, it's not going. She's not going. The 5 minutes needs to push. Come on, push. All the way to 96. Let's push all the way to 96. Come on, let's go. Come on, buyers. Let's come. Come strong. We need a big push now. Bigger push. Let's go. Bigger push. Come on. Come on. Push. Fucking thing. I don't want to push. It's almost 9. I'm gonna hold you straight for like 2 minutes and get out. Come on. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm out. It's okay. 509. Back to what I previously had. And I'm actually gonna walk the dog really quick because yeah, it's almost 7 and 7 o'clock we got those big moves, so she'll see we're going. I honestly think we're gonna keep going, but yeah, look, I think we're gonna keep going. Looks strong. I'm gonna walk the dog and be right back. Give me 10 minutes, yo. I'm back. What's good? What's good? I am back, guys. What's poppin'? Looks like we keep dumping. Looks like we keep dumping. Should I chase here? Let's chase.
Order filled.
Let's chase there. Let's chase.
Order filled.
Okay, quick scalp. That's a big chase. 282. 282, man. You had a good entry right here. I just did a crazy chase here. For 550. uh, yeah. Perfect entry. So you are aiming to 150. 150. Oh, you are going for the low, huh? You are going for all the way down this candle. Where is my friend Ollie? Dear Ollie, are you online? Dear Ollie, are you online, buddy? I remember Dear Ollie said that he had a short and he was holding. It's almost back to his entry. I'll be back. Do you need help? I bought us something for the microwave. Oh man, I know you probably cut, right? You cut the loss, right? Yes, I know. I know. I thought you. I know you probably cut here. Yeah, but I went a lot against you, man. It's fine. It's fine. You got a good one soon. Oh man, you are you are doing things that I did the other day too. I was doing the same. Yep. I know how it is. I feel you, buddy. I feel you. I feel you. You know, there was the other day that I was doing something so stupid with big size. I was going like short here and long here. And multiple times, not only once, that was like multiple times I was doing that. I feel you. That happened, you know. Yeah, it's right back here. We are right back down. Right back down. We are down what? How many points are we down now? We are down 264. She's bleeding. I think she's still gonna keep bleeding. Yeah, but what's your entry now? Like if you went short, where did you go? Unless you went like now. That was crazy, like right here. That was it's like it broke. It broke right here. When you look left, right, it broke this resistance. It's like, one thing the market likes to do is take the stops. Like here, might take the stops and back. Took the stops here and back. $8 profit. Oh, you went like right now. There was one guy on Twitter back in the days, like 10 years ago, like he used to joke that he was a good trader actually. He was trading for a long time, but he had a phase. He had a phase that the whole month he said he would go long, the market would go down. He would go short, the market would go up. And for the whole month he said that was happening. At one point he's like, "Hey people, look, if you wanna make money, just do the opposite of what I do." Like I see continuation to the downside, man. It's hard to short here. Yeah, you see, it keeps going. This, it's right in this nine, man. Just right in the nine. See, from here, start right in the nine. Might touch it here and go back down. Man, she's going non-stop. Yeah, Nate, we might touch your target soon. It's going fast. CNBC says that traders are waiting for the May jobs report. So what time is that's gonna happen tomorrow? Let's see here. Where is the economic calendar? Uh, Private payroll, yes. No, it's NBC, like that's what they claim. So I'm like, well, let's see. Yeah, look, on this account here, I've been trading small. And to tell the truth, I've been actually very happy because you remember the other day that I was fucking pulling like 10 contracts, 50 to 30 contracts, like on the micros. And, oh, look at that candle. Look at that candle. That candle's trying. Hmm. Look at this candle's trying. There's no wick on. This candle just went up. What was the low of the candle? Can I even see what was the low of this candle? Is that a way to see when you click on the candle? It would be nice if I could click on that candle and see the price. Hey, 50 bucks? 50 bucks is 50 bucks, you know? But looks like she's going down non-stop. She failed right here on the 90. She went right back to fail on the 90. It's actually a slow and steady sell. See, it's being very well controlled. Let's see what Fibonacci says. 170. 170. Looks like 170 incoming. 170. Broke 200s. One seventy if we get there. Let's see what the previous bounce. Here. The previous bounce. 168. See, do we get that or not? We'll see. Yeah, we're finally gonna get a little bounce. A well-deserved bounce. Well, that's just like another pop and drop. Looks like just another pop and drop. Need help with anything? So the microwave, leave it like that. I can open when we get the pot. See, I closed, but I can open. So so just the lights now all the time. What is Nate? Nate, your short is 282. 282. Oh boy, almost 100 points. Just that you getting some acceleration nation here. I kind of like a little short here. Nope. The sellers are so strong. Did not even get filled. I'm gonna get short here. 200. Tempting to like tempting for a short here. It's a tight stop. Yeah, there she goes, man. There she goes. I gotta start taking my own calls. Oh, this candle held well so far. Let's see. Yeah, not really. Yeah, Nate, you are 100 points in the money. Wow, do yourself a favor and move that stop, man. At least to 50 points in the money. Looks like she's going. She is going fast. I'm gonna wait for the bounce. It's gonna come. Yeah, we're going down non-stop. That's where we previously bounced, and I think we're gonna dump. I don't think we're gonna hold. In the morning today, we bounced from here actually, 153. Previously, we bounced from 167. That was crazy. Look at that. Damn. 500 points up, 500 points down. Okay, so are we ever gonna get a bounce? Do we ever gonna get a bounce? Do we ever gonna get a bounce? No bounce. You can see the sale is very controlled, it's like slow. It's like a very slow, controlled sale. It's not crazy acceleration. Okay, now it's trying to hit the moving average. See the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes looking strong now. We try. Gonna try the 200s. Gonna try the 200s again. See, we failed here. See if we're gonna fail again. We've been failing the 21 all night. Look, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21 failure. We've been failing all night. Might be crazy, but I might short here with a tight stop.
Order filled.
I like the risk reward here, so let's see. I don't want to marry her, but let's see if we get at least 10 points, 20 points. Alright, take me out. Nope. Oh, do not take me out fast. Yeah, I gotta stop. Come on, come on, come on. Nope, it's gonna flip now. Yeah, market's flipping. Shit. Ah, no more stop. Why did I do that? Damn it. Should have got to stop there. I think I'm gonna flip this position. My answer is actually the long.
Order filled.
Ooh. Oh, stop to watch. Now it's touching my stop and goes down, huh? Come on.
Order filled.
Let's see, Dioli, if I got your curse. Oh, fuck. I think I just shot at the top. Sure. Oh, man, unbelievable. Fuck. Did I mess up? Think I messed up. Yeah, messed up there. Damn it. Looks like every night after 7, I mess up. Fucking kidding me. It's like the after 7 curse for me. Look at this bitch.
Order filled.
Damn, man. Every night after 7. Ah, now you go without me, really?
Order filled.
Oh no, my account's gonna lock. I have the $500 limit, my account's gonna lock. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. Yeah, my account's gonna lock soon. Fuck. Man, same as last night. Last night I was up 600 and up negative 500. Today I was up 550. Now I'm negative. It's gonna lock my account.
Order
Look
filled.
at that. Gotta be kidding. All right, guys. Good night. Shit, man. Same thing. Unbelievable. Like locked my account because I have the trailing stop, So